Good morning, everybody. How's it hanging today? Today, school got canceled because the roads are too icy. So Calvin is home yet again. And we decided that we're going to bust into Carter's cubby here in his bedroom. And inside is a whole world of treasure. But we're looking for that racetrack in that back corner. Let's get it. You can do it.
Dude, did you see the sniper rifle?
Dude, we're not worried about the sniper. We need the waste car track. Dude, don't even shoot me right now. We need that waste car track. No!
Pussy, just call me.
Whoa, just hand me the waste car track, that's all I want.
I'm getting the waste car.
It's right on front of your face. No, enough with the guns, Calvin.
Wait, which waste car track?
The one in the wet box.
Where?
The bit's over, just give me the track. Some of it.
Are you sure?
Yeah, hand it to me. That's the box it came in.
Freaking. Because I saw some down that way.
Well, we've had so many sets of it over the years. Oh, got it. Look at this. It's got its own handle and everything. Alright, bye Calvin. Thanks for your help.
Yeah.
We're not gonna worry about Carter's room. We can just leave it a mess because he doesn't care. Look at this. This is loaded. This is like Christmas morning.
Dude!
Dude!
Where are the cars? Oh, they're
Right here. Let's build the track. Track building time lapse. Commence! Okay, it is coming along swimmingly, I would like to think. We mutually agreed on getting rid of the loop. We decided it was going to be a bad idea. And now we're just waiting for Calvin to finish up his bridge, and then we'll be able to run the cars around. What?
Stop. Jerk.
Okay, so we had to downgrade the track because it had a bad connection before and the cars wouldn't go. And it has to be a, what's the word, closed circuit loop or something. Otherwise the cars don't work.
Yeah.
Something along those lines. So we got a simple track going at the moment, just messing around. But I think we'll build the track bigger in a second here. Oh, look at the cat.
Yeah, let's give it a huge straightaway. Just 2 huge straightaways.
Let's put a jump in it too.
A jump in?
Yeah. Okay, so we made the track bigger, and we also have a tilted corner down there at the end. So I'm gonna see just how fast I can make it around that corner. See if I can hit it at turbo. You gonna try it?
Warming up.
Warming up, warming up. Yeah. Hit it at turbo. When you get to the straightaway, hit turbo.
I just need to make sure it works. Oh, there's a disconnection spot.
Disconnect. Oh, gotta fix the disconnect.
I can make it work. Ready?
Yep. No, not quite. Couldn't quite hit the corner at turbo. Alright, well, I'm gonna set the camera up right here. Zooming in sort of down there. That corner. Okay. Hey, I made it around the corner. Oh shoot, I just messed up the track. That last run though, I just hit that corner at full turbo and I made it.
Yeah, that's cool.
You know, the cat is probably gonna be what ruins it for us. Watch Smudge, okay? Just watch him. Ready? We're gonna go. Ah, we went off the rails. He's vigilant, right? And he's just staring, and he's waiting for something to happen, but he's not really fast enough to really jump on it and attack it.
Yeah.
That's Smudge. Oh, Calvin's making a tunnel, by the way. He thinks we need a tunnel, so he's working on that.
Cool.
He's really going for it now. Look at him. He's gonna get your car one of these times. Let's see it, Smudge. Come on. Oh, he's definitely gonna get it now. Ramming speed.
Ram. Backing up. You're good.
You good? Keep going. Look, he's completely on your side of the track now.
Ramming. Oh, I gotta fix it.
Oh, you knocked mine off.
No, I didn't.
Can you just fix it for me, please?
No, I'm not.
Well, it's gonna knock yours off because mine's on your set of rails now.
Ramming speed.
He's now laying completely on the track. Back your car up and then go turbo speed into him. Oh, wait, he's moving. Oh! Oh, he's laying on the track now. He's like, there's no way you're getting by. And we gotta get a thumbnail for this.
It's a new game. I'm trying to get him to... Yo!
Oh, he did it.
Dang it.
Oh, he got you. He got you.
He's not holding it. It's his little baby. Oh, now he's leaving.
He doesn't care anymore. Alright, leave then.
No, he does care. He just... I got you. You ready?
Yeah, just put the car on frame real quick. Thumbnail. Here it comes. A little further. There we go. That's it. Alright, go ahead. You gotta get that thumbnail, know what I'm saying?
There's something here. Though.
No, look. There's a giant disconnect in the track.
Oh, it's disconnected.
Well, I think that's about it for me. Smudge has about ruined it. He just keeps jumping on the track. But yeah, this is pretty fun, I would actually say, for all ages. It'd be even more fun if we had more parts and could build a bigger track. Like, if we could build a track that went all around the house and maybe went downstairs and then back up, that'd be pretty sick, but...
Do you think you could make it upstairs?
It might make it up the stairs, I don't know. That'd be pretty tough. Maybe someday when I'm rich, we'll buy enough stuff, or a company will sponsor us and send us enough stuff that we could set that up. But yeah, for now, I think that's gonna about end it, because I gotta take a shower and get ready to go for work, and Casey Neistat just uploaded a new video, which he doesn't do very often anymore, so I gotta go watch it. That being said, hope you all enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell. And
hit the bell, boys. Do it for me.
For Calvin.
Hit that bell. Come on. Humdinger.
And we'll see you later. Yeah!